Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. A new opportunity for drivers to start earning more income. Can you take a wild guess of what that is, Izzy? Play Octopus.
Oh, Play Octopus.
Yeah. What do you think about Play Octopus?
I think it's a really, really great and smart idea because not only if you don't know what Play Octopus is, it's this company that sends you a tablet for free if you're a rideshare driver, and you hook the tablet up to the back of the passenger seat so that your passenger can play games on there. You can have a little driver profile to give yourself more of a personality, share a fun fact about you to your passenger. And they can win things too, right?
Yep, Amazon gift card, 25 Amazon gift cards every single day. They give out prizes and stuff to passengers. That's the reason why they're playing the games.
Yeah, and then as a driver, you actually could make an extra $100 per month just from having a tablet in your car because they don't they run ads on the tablet, right?
Yeah, in between the games. They say average drivers make 50, 75 bucks a month, but the top drivers, 100 bucks a month.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, they play really
it's like a win-win situation. There's really no reason why you wouldn't.
Yeah, because it's free. It's free to get it. It doesn't require any work. And honestly, you make more tips because your passengers are like, wow, this driver's going above and beyond. And I'm getting games to play. And so yeah, you have better ratings, better tips, and Play Octopus is actually paying you. So yeah, you're right. There's no really real reason not to do it.
Yeah, so we have a link for that down below.
Oh yeah, there is a link below. Yeah, I totally forgot, but yeah, you can sign up with the link below. And yeah, it's a really easy, fun way to make more money as a driver. So let's continue